Benefits of preventive maintenance. There are more benefits of implementing a preventive maintenance program than merely reducing the amount of unplanned downtime. Other benefits include extension of asset lifetime, increased safety and reduced risk of injury, optimized maintenance planning and resource allocation, less expensive corrective repairs, and better margins and profits due to less downtime. Perhaps the greatest benefit is increased safety, especially for a company that owns heavy machinery. The price of employee safety is never too high, and organizations such as the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, rigorously enforce government policy. Preventive maintenance is often seen as an overhead cost that is difficult to justify, but it takes just one period of downtime or a single notifiable accident to demonstrate how important it is to undertake a program of forward-thinking maintenance. To start implementing a PM program, choose a few critical assets. Make a preventive maintenance checklist, then schedule the PMs in a CMMS. Optimize your maintenance today. Invite your whole team. Access core features. Upkeep.